Hey guys! Today I'm going to share with you an amazing recipe to fight that annoying and irritated sore throat. And best of all, this recipe is super easy to make and delicious. You know those days when your throat hurts and you don't know what to do? Well, we have the solution. This clove tea is an ancient but incredibly effective recipe for helping to relieve sore throat and sore throat. And best of all, it's so yummy, you'll love it. Let's go to the ingredients. 1 cup of water. 5 cloves. 1 tablespoon of honey. Method of preparation. Place the water in a small saucepan and place over medium-high heat. Add the cloves and boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and let it sit for a few minutes. Add a tablespoon of honey and mix well. Now, just enjoy your delicious clove tea with water and honey. Now, let's talk a little bit about the ingredients. The clove. This spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which are exactly what we need to soothe a sore throat. Water is another important ingredient in this recipe. Water is essential to keep our body hydrated and help eliminate toxins from our organism. Additionally, when combined with cloves, water can help boost the anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of the recipe. Finally, honey is a key ingredient to make this recipe delicious. Honey is known for its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, as well as being a great source of natural energy. When added to a recipe, it can help sweeten the tea and make it more palatable. Hey guys! Did you like this amazing recipe for clove tea with water and honey? I hope so. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the recipe in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't waste any more time. Sign up now for more fun and lively recipes like this one. Remember, this recipe is a great option to relieve that annoying sore throat, and it's still delicious. So, let's prepare a cup of this tea and enjoy all the benefits of cloves, water, and honey together. Until the next recipe.